So I have all the phones in the Tecno Pop 6 series, and there are 3 phones in the lineup. There might be a 4th one from Tecno soon though. This one is the Tecno Pop 6 Go 3G and the cheapest. The official price is 43,000 naira. The second one is the Tecno Pop 6 Go 4G. Official price is 51,000 naira. Here comes the last one, the Tecno Pop 6, the highest so far in the series, and the price is pegged at 52,500 naira. These 3 devices are almost the same in their design, as they maintain almost the same dimension, and you can hardly tell the difference of one from the other. Let me talk about their design later so that I can take you to the unboxing right away. First, the Pop 6 Go 3G. Fine packaging, different way of opening the box. You've got the phone first right on top. Next inside is the semi-transparent bumper case. Then a charger, USB cable, and finally earpiece. A complete review and unboxing of this phone can be found here, but please don't click that link yet. Watch this video till the end before you watch that one. And don't worry, I leave the link in the description section below. The next device is the Pop 6 Go 4G. Comes inside a similar packaging box but opened in a different way. It has the device right at the top of the packaging box as well. Next is the bumper case, charger, USB cable, and finally earpiece. As for the Pop 6, it's much the same with the 6 Go 4G. The main difference here is that the same eject pin comes in the box, unlike the 2 previously unboxed phones. Pop 6 doesn't come with an earpiece either. Now, just before I continue, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the like button. Plus, if you comment on this video telling me what you feel about my video, trust me, something good will happen to you today. Phone-on-phone comparison, all phones have their volume and power buttons on the same side. At the top, Pop 6 has the audio jack. At the left corner, only Pop 6 has the SIM house here. Come to the bottom, all 3 phones comes with a microphone and a USB charging port here. Pop 6 Go 3G and 4G comes with audio jack at the bottom too. The back of the phone is the only area where you will find the first major difference. While the 2 Pop 6 Go retain the same design, Pop 6 camera section is designed a little different from the others. It has 2 cameras unlike the 2 other phones with 3 cameras. The position and shape of the flashlight is different too. Finally, only Pop 6 has its speaker at the back. Further differences can be spotted at the front too. Only Pop 6 has water drop full screen and a selfie camera right at the middle. The selfie camera of Pop 6 Go 3G and 4G are aligned toward the left, and their main speakers are located right at the center of the front. Okay, that is that about their design. As for their display, Pop 6 is better and it comes with a resolution of 720 by 1560 pixels, and with that you've got a better display. The resolution of the display on the 2 other devices is 480 by 960 pixels. I guess because of price issue, Tecno had to pick a display from like 5 years ago for these 2 devices. So just in case you are considering buying one of these devices, Pop 6 is a better option, at least because of its display. As for their random fixtures, only Pop 6 runs on 5000 mAh battery. Pop 6 Go 3G and 4G runs on 4000 mAh battery. 4G browsing for Pop 6 and Pop 6 Go 4G, while Pop 6 Go 3G only supports 3G browsing network. Now, the most prominent difference here is the position of their SIM house. Only Pop 6 has its SIM house at the side and requires the use of SIM eject pin. The other 2 devices have their SIM and memory card house at their back, accessible only after removing the back cover. This is a big advantage for the Pop 6. Pop 6 supports OTG, the 2 other devices don't, and Pop 6 is built on Android 11 and HiOS version 8. It enjoys the updated icon-rich drop-down menu with smooth display transition between apps. As for their performance, it takes them about the same time to turn on, but it seems like the Pop 6 Go 4G is a bit faster here, faster than the Pop 6. This is surprising to me because all these devices have the same storage memory, 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM. It is not easy to test all 3 devices at the same time, but from an extensive test, Pop 6 Go 4G has faster performance in most of the test areas. As for their charging test, I did not really spend much time here, but you can find the charging test of each of these devices in their review videos. You can find their links in the description section below. As for their cameras, all these devices come with 5 megapixel camera, which is kind of a bit disappointing, but Pop 6 has a way of making that camera appear as if it's a 16 megapixel camera. So here you have the Tecno Pop 6, the Tecno Pop 6 Go 4G, and the Tecno Pop 6 Go 3G. Which should you buy? Well, that depends on your pocket. If you think you can afford the Tecno Pop 6, fine. But if you think the Tecno Pop 6 Go 3G is more pocket friendly, fine, you can go for it. But the Tecno Pop 6 has way better features and performance than the two other phones in the series. Click this video for the Tecno Pop 6 unboxing and review, and if you are interested in the Tecno Pop 6 Go 3G unboxing and review, that would be this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video.